Hey guys, welcome back to the Filmstock channel. My name is Luca, and today we're going to go through 5 simple, easy, and fun transitions that you can do right into Filmora. Let's get into it. First thing first, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button below because we make amazing weekly video about tips about Filmora and everything you need to know about it. So click that button below. So let's start right off with glitches. The first transition we're going to cover are glitches. They became extremely popular in the last year, couple of years or so, and it's actually one of my favorites just because it looks a bit VHS, kind of nice look, and I like that look. So we're going to use this one transition pack that I found on Filmstock, and we just want to apply on this footage right here. And just remember, when you apply any transitions, remember to play around and see which one works better with the footage. Don't just like find one and then be like, oh yeah, that's done. So play around with the transitions to make sure you find the right one. Moving on to the second one. This one, it's definitely a bit more of a fun kind of commercial music video vibe, and I found this fire pack, and it's pretty much like a flame that comes up as a very cartoony looking flame, and we're just going to try this out and see how it looks with this footage. And one thing that I always tell everyone to remember when you add transition, also try and match the sound of the transition. So for example, we got this flame, cartoony looking flame coming up, and we can add like a swoosh or like a flame or a torch noise just to enhance that transition sound. On to the third one, and after the fire I chose to use smoke, obviously. So I'm going to use this one to transition in a more subtle way between a shot where my drone kind of flies near some clouds and then vanishes with transition into a next shot. So it kind of looks like it goes through clouds into a next shot. But the way to do that is we're going to play around with transition until kind of looks good. We don't want this to look too fake, so just play around with it until you're kind of happy with the result. And we're going to try and keep this a bit more minimal just because we don't want our video just to look extremely fake and just a bunch of different transitions here and there. So we're going to use this one to keep a bit more of a minimal effect to our video. Alright, this is one of my favorite. These are light leaks and particle effect, and I like this because this is the type of transition that you will apply to your videos, but it doesn't really look like it's a transition if it's done in the right way. So we're going to pretty much try and hide this transition within our footage just to make it look like it's not a transition, but it is. Last one, and I left this one as the last one just because I think it's a more basic transition. It's more like a graphic transition, elements, motion, and this is perfect for your commercial or corporate videos that they literally just want to either split a video into different segments or just obviously transition to a next shot. And I love this transition. It's not really my style, but if you're looking for something like that, there is again a bunch of this transition on Filmstock. There was about 200 to 250 ready to use, one-click drag and drop templates for transition. So just have a look, and I'm sure you can find the right one for your videos. And that's all. Hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration for your next video. So leave a like, subscribe as I said before, and I'll see you guys in the next video.